So we have the Zebra ZD500. The screen goes blank every time a lot of times when you open it. Remove it, see? Let's plug the light. You see? Something, the wire loose. Keeps on getting disconnected. So, we'll try to fix this. We'll have to take off the top cover and the bottom cover. We have two screws in the back over here. Between these and this one. And then we'll move to the top. So unplug it first. The inside has two screws here, two screws over there. Start with the top then. These two. And we got these two over here, each side. You have to remove it from these clips here. That's the cover. So this is the wire. I'm going to try to replace this wire, this long wire. So I'm moving the wire over here. See, it's blinking. So that's the wire we're after. Remove these. Go. So we have to now we have to remove this piece where the wire goes in. There's two screws. There's two screws here. One, two. Can't see. Hard to see. Oh. So these two screws. These two screws, one, two. It should come right out this way. Okay, that's the piece. So now we can get the whole wire out. So we'll push out this tab here from both sides. Push out this tab A. Just like that. And we'll pull this out. Remember which way it goes. This one goes out this way. You have to put in the other one. Now we'll take this out. Which I think let's go. If I have a new wire, I'll try to put a link in the description for where you can find another wire for this. So it's not this wire, it's the one on the side. Remember which way it comes out. This one just also has two tabs. That's a small tab. Make that loose. And pull it out. So this one goes in this way. So you gotta pull that out through this little hook. Which way does it come out? Open it up. You open this up. And you can trace it the same way you take it out. And you pull it out. We'll test this new wire we got. I believe so. We'll bend it. And we'll put it over there until it catches. Caught. I'll use the flat side of the screwdriver. Push it in. Once it's pushed in, close the tab. Yeah, broke it or something. But you get the idea. I think I broke it. Push in the tab. See if we can push back in the tab. First we'll just test it. That's in there. And that's, which way did it go? This way? Can go in that way. Now we'll just test it. Don't touch any electronic parts here. Okay, it's on. I put it on this side the wrong way. So this side is out on the blue. The blue's out, the blue's pointing out. So I got it in finally. Thank God. And then this one also the blue goes on top. So now we'll test it. Now this works. I'll try to link a description. Let's make it tight. Now it's tight. Now it's starting up. No shaking. It's fixed. And that's the fix. And then you just put it back together. What you'll do is you'll trace the old one with all the bends and everything. Trace it the way you put it in. Trace it the way you took it off. That's the way it goes in. It should be complete. I'll try to link a description for this new wire in the description, a link. And thank God everything is working. Thanks for watching. So I rerouted the wire with the new one. Put some tape on this end over here, just like the other one. Tried to copy the old one and traced all the bends. So you might want to put some tape over here, and it's now installed. Now it's starting up. So now it's not having the problem anymore. Just put back on the covers, which will be fine.